So one of the questions we get asked is, what is a skills day? And why is it different to a track day? Well, a track day is a different beast. Here, what we're doing is developing skills in a safe, controlled environment, so we're using Thruxton Circuit. You'll work one-to-one with an instructor in the car, and the idea is to bring all of your skills development together to get the best out of the car and to get the best out of you as a driver. And they'll work with you one-to-one to ensure that.
So now it's really important, once you've done a little check brake, once you start turning your balance gas, you're back on the gas.
Another question is, what sort of car do I need to take part in a skills day? So you might imagine Aston Martins, Porsches, all sorts of exotica. Nothing could be further from the truth. It's not what you drive, it's how you drive it. So you can bring anything that's a road legal car. So hopefully this video has given you an idea of what goes on an IAM RoadSmart Skills Day. And it's all about you and your development. What are the next steps? Very simple. Just get involved. Check out any further information on the IAM RoadSmart website at iamroadsmart.com. Pick up the telephone to support. Book your place. I guarantee you'll enjoy it.